In this module, we are going to reinforce the concept of global interdependence. World has become a global village where people are interconnected by advanced technology, cultural convergence at global level, weakening of traditional beliefs, increased trade, and easier transportation. All this increased interconnectedness of goods, services, and individuals is happening owing to the 21st century's technological sophistication and scientific advancement. International flow of goods, production, capital, and resources, free trade, interconnectedness, and interdependence of the financial system, all is happening in this global village owing to all this communication revolution. Rise of multinational corporations, interconnectedness through media. So, this communication age has revolutionized the lives of every individual in this global village. Cosmopolitanism. It based on the idea of single community, international moral standards, global economic practices, international political structures, global culture, citizens of the world. Although this idea of cosmopolitanism seems unrealistic sometimes and idealistic, but when we see it closely, that this is the only way to live in this global village peacefully and calmly. If we are not living together, if we are not going to give respect to each other's diversity, it would be very difficult to live peacefully in this planet. Look at this, how we are globally interdependent upon each other. So, this interdependence forces us to be respectful to each other. Homogenization of cultures, erosion of local cultures, dominance of Western culture, cultural hybridization, and Americanization. All these are the concepts which people are using without understanding the impact of these words. But still, I would say that it may be an oversimplification that Westernization, Americanization is going on. No, I believe that cultural hybridization is going on in this age of globalization, and that means individuals are ready to give respect to each other. Without it, it is not possible that this global village could sustain anymore. Concept of global village is, it is spreading everywhere. And we are talking about global citizenship in the world. International standards and rights regarding gender equality are preferred. World is becoming borderless, that I earlier mentioned. People of globalized world are interconnected and interdependent. So this interdependence gives us an opportunity to have an integrated community and socially peaceful society.